Jai Srimanarayana. 25th sloka of 8th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Dhumo ratrihi tadha krishnaha shanmasa dakshinayanam tatra chandramasam ज्योतिहि योगी प्राप्य निवर्तते। Om. There is a route in which all the devatas resides who belongs to smoke, dark, waning fortnight and southern journey of sun, that is Dakshinayanam. If you chose that route, you will have to come back to the cycle of birth and death. Be aware of that. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall be alert about the route in which I have to come back to the cycle of birth and death if I travel in that route. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone, I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 73rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Putana took Sri Krishna into her lap. Putana's heart, Tikshna Chittam, filled with bad, cruel thoughts to kill that child. But superficially, externally, she is showing so much of Ativama Cheshtitam. She is showing so much of love, more than a mother she is showing. It is like in a very delicate bag, such a sharp, long sword is there. Just like that, Putana is there in Balakrishna's room. Yashoda, Rohini. Both of them has seen Putana, but they did not say anything. They did not stop her because Putana in that woman form, she is looking so beautiful. Seeing that beauty, Yashoda, Rohini did not say anything and they kept quiet. Now Putana, she is playing with Krishna. She is pampering Krishna like this. Na chanu balu voka grukkedun wo chinni kumara travu meyyana పిదపన్ని చెలువము ఎరుగవచ్చును నా చెలువము సఫలమగును నలిన దళాక్ష. Oh my dear child, the one who has such a beautiful lotus like eyes, please take one drink of my breast milk. Then you will realize what will happen to you, and then my beauty also, the purpose of my beauty will also be served. Like that Putana said, and then tasmin stanam durjara viryam vulbanam ghorankamadaya sisoho dadau. Then she put her breast in the mouth of Sri Krishna. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 8th chapter 25th श्लोक. धूमो रात्रिः तथा कृष्णः षण्मासा दक्षिणायनं तत्र चान्द्रमसं ज्योतिः योगी प्राप्य निवर्तते. धूमो रात्रिः तथा कृष्णः षण्मासा दक्षिणायनं तत्र चान्द्रमसं ज्योतिः योगी प्राप्य निवर्तते. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.